Welcome back to the crypto channel, everybody. I'm your host Ibrahim. Let's get straight to the video. I'm excited for this video. As you can see right here, we have a green light today. I'll bring this closer. We have a green light today. I don't know if you can see it purely. Oh boy. Yeah, but it's a green light today. So you know what that means. We're pumping like crazy. Okay. So I'm very excited for this video. But let's get straight into it. So here we are, Bitcoin, $77,339. Okay, so what now? Like I've told you guys before, my supports level almost get hit. So right now, support and resistance level almost get hit most of the time. So as you can see clearly, we're struggling here. Let's move to the 4-hourly time frame. It's one of my favorite. So as you can see, we're rejecting right here. Possibly for time for some chop, maybe even reject to 71K. We never know. But if we can see a nice close above here and stuff, we definitely are targeting 82K. Okay, that's for Bitcoin. And a lot of people are wondering right now, oh, Ebe, is it time for me to buy or is it time for me to wait and see in the sidelines still? Because I know a lot of people missed this run. Even me, I missed this run. Nobody was expecting this. Like, are you kidding me? For just a couple days, 4 or 5 days, 26%. Like, are you kidding me? We're not ready for that. Look at all this. This was all just chop. I made one of my videos telling you guys about all this was just chop. Yeah, 36%, but it takes days, even months to get up there. But this only take a couple days. Literally, all it takes a couple days. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days from the bottom here. Or if you can even say 3 days from here. Okay, so is the bottom in? According to me, no. Why is that, Abe? Explain to us why is that? Why is the bottom not in, Abe? I'm one of the first people that will come out here and tell you the truth, what I say in the chart. So a lot of people are gonna say, oh, do this, do that. No, I say do this when it happens. I look at the chart. I don't look at no fundamentals, so and so. Of course, the news that came out was bullish, but it was not even for crypto that came out. That was for treasury bonds, them buying the bonds back. That was not them saying, oh, we're going to go buy Bitcoin. Yeah, they will buy Bitcoin here and there, but we all know the government ain't going to buy Bitcoin. They're just going to hold the Bitcoin reserves that they've always had. They're not buying Bitcoin. Only retails and smart money investors are the ones that are going to buy Bitcoin. But anyway, we had a good news from that. We pumped. So here we are. This is my opinion and what I will be seeing from the chart. This is where I think the bear market is over. When we cross above 82,800 with a daily candle close. You give me a daily candle close like this, close above here, like that, the bull market starts. Bear market is over. But here's the thing about me. Whenever we do that, I don't buy there. All I do is set my Fibonacci like that. Let's say we end right there on the pump. I wait for the retracement because you and I can see so many imbalances right here. So many imbalances. Okay, you and I can see them. So all you do is just wait for it, really. And then I like the 0.5 to the 0.786 Fibonacci, which is perfect. I know it's going to be almost all of that move retraced, but that's how the market is. And that's going to give us a drawing like this, by the way, in case you're wondering, like an inverse head and shoulder. Come on, brush. Like up, bam, bam. And then we're long in here, like I said, and then bam, inverse head and shoulder to send us to the upside, possibly to a new all-time high. Because at that point now, it would just be something like this. Us continue like this. Okay? Like that, pretty much. And that would be beautiful. And now, oh, Ebe, why are you saying that? Why do you draw like a perfection and stuff? I'll show you an example real quick before we jump to the next coin. Okay? 2022. Bear market. Don't forget my inverse head and shoulder, how I just drew it. Okay? Same thing. A low, a high. And then we have the low that triggers the a new BOS. Okay? This was the high that stays that we never took. So same thing. Oh, if you would have tried this right here, we never got a close. We'll just dump. Bitcoin could be doing this. You never know. We just go up there, week above there, couple weeks, and then we dump about 20% or 22% right there. So you don't want that to happen to you. in case you're leveraging, especially, that would be suck for you. Even if you're buying spot, because that was not guaranteed that this is the bottom. It was never guaranteed. What is guaranteed is this is the bottom. The daily close above this. And that's cemented, and then it sent us. Of course, we did not have the retrace, but that would have been nice because you can clearly see the imbalances right here. Okay, so enough of that. Let's go straight to Ethereum. As you can see, Ethereum, same thing. I will just get straight to Ethereum for that one. It will take us right here about 2,470 for Ethereum, a daily candle close above that. I would like to see a couple pips, above that to clearly see that. So if we can have that same thing, same story, okay? Nothing changes. A daily candle close, deep down here, you can see this fair value gap, and then we look for the higher low. Beautiful head and shoulder to send us possibly to new all-time high. So that's my Ethereum type of look. But right now, what I think about Ethereum, we have pumped. Of course, can we pump more? Like I said, we can pump all the way and find a way to touch here and wick here, and then we can fake the market. This is a lot of things a lot of people are not going to say. We can come up here, fake the market, and then possibly come mitigate this right away. Mitigate this right away. This is how it literally might do. So I'm giving you guys what could happen now. We can come up here, never close above here, and fake a lot of people who come here, mitigate this really good, scared everybody out of the market, and then we make we close above this now. And instead of us coming back down here, we don't do it anymore. I'll go back on this. We don't do that anymore, but instead we just do this, come back here, mitigate everything, come up, and instead of us doing, we just chop, and then we just keep going up. That could be another instance too. And I'll show you guys right now this, so keep it in mind because I will be coming back to this video in case it happens. So clearly, I gave you two instances. We can come up here, close above, come down, do this, and then do this. Or if not, we can't close above it, then of course we might be, there's a possibility we're going lower, of course. Okay, now Solana. As you can see, I've said this over my channel. If you're not watching the video or if you're not subscribed to the channel to have things like this or anything, please subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting videos every single day. Market like moving in channels, by the way, if you have not heard that from my last videos or if you have not watched my last videos. So as you can see, distribution, same thing up here. We're gonna struggle up here. As you can see right now, we're struggling. For us to break this, I don't know. There's a high chance we might not break this, but there could be a world where we break it. But if we break it, you have to be careful now. If we break inside of it again, that's where we can really come back down to $83. So keep that in mind, okay? For Solana. But Solana, same thing. Same thing. So I'm just telling you guys right now, I'm telling you when is the bear market over. Same thing for Solana. $98.55. If Solana can close there with daily candle close, not 4 hourly, daily candle close, because there's more volumes in those daily candle close. Daily candle close above it, and then you give us this. Of course, like I said before, I've said it again, I'll say it over and over. Look at the fair value gap down here. That's all less trading areas because it needs to be mitigated. So you just do your lines just like this. Let's use this low, and then let's say above here somewhere, and then 0.786, your 0.618, and your 0.5. So somewhere around there, you look for it. This line could be broken in the future, by the way. I don't know when, but it could be broken in the future. This line, it never stands according to me, and I will be here the day when it happens, and I will tell you guys it will be broken. I'm telling you right now, this line, this ascending parallel channel, okay? So it never stands forever. So XRP, which is one of the strongest coins right now out there. As you can see, it's still pumping, by the way. So XRP, in my opinion, XRP has started the first bull market signals. But now what are we waiting for? Like I've said before, same thing. This is the low. It's just that what I'm going to show you guys I don't like on XRP, which is the weekly time frame. The low and the high, same thing. Which low triggers it? I have a lot of lines. That was a lot of support. If I can go to the file, you can see how much they meant a lot. So lots of line. I will try to delete them in the next video for sure. So this was the next low. and then there goes your high, change of character. But then somehow, actually, believe it or not, XRP went below this low. We have a couple closes below this low. So this was your high of change of character. And then we pump above it. And we have no retest or anything. So same thing. Draw and draw. Let's say that was the high. You wait for your 0.5 to 0.786 Fibonacci to be retraced, just like this. And then the squeeze. You can see now, like we're turning upside down. We're looking like a cup, if you know what I mean. Something like a U shape, if you know what I mean. Okay? So keep that in mind for XRP. Same thing. And now Chainlink. Chainlink is one of those coins that are almost the same, but it has a lot of work to, like a lot and lots of work. But good thing for Chainlink is that we could be having a double pattern right here. I drew this a little early for you guys, but this is how you draw it pretty much. As you can see, a W bottom pattern. Okay, so all you do, same thing. You just take the drawing from there, you set your target. If it plays out, if we hold above here, of course. We can even come all the way down here, which is no problem. Mitigate all this to $10 in that. Okay? But $14 can happen. And then even that, we can even just have that little bit of a boost to come test it, possibly close above here. That will be really, really good for Chainlink. And if that happens, like I said, always don't forget you set your Fibonacci. Let's say we close above here, like that, bam. You could be looking for that retracement, like gaps like this, in case we never come back. To come back here, mitigate, so and so, or even test this line. Look at this line. We'll be waiting here for us. We've only got 2 churches. Oh, it's beautiful. Just in case we close above here, we could be coming back to this line church and then possibly pump again. Okay, so that's that for Chainlink. And then let's go to our last coin that we talk about, which is the stable coin, of course, USDT dominant, which is almost the opposite of all of those coins I've just talked about. Okay, that I like that I talked about this every time because it shows you what's the next move. Look what was the next move down here. I drew this. I've had this on all of my videos that I've showed USDT dominance. Okay, not this line, but this red box right here, rectangle box. We clearly closed below it. So as you can see, we just kept dumping. And then look at your change of character. If USDT closes the day below here, that's bearish. If USDT start pumping from here, like what it's doing, bouncing, possibly chop, I think we'll start pumping again. And crypto is going to suffer. I'll be one of the first people to tell you right now. If USDT stays like this and we start pumping again, there's a chance we break this because what I normally do with this, like you can see, it's gonna be a nice clear parallel channel as well. It's just that we break down a little bit. But if we start breaking inside of it again, and then breaking above here, then crypto is in trouble, possibly some huge pullback. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care. Peace.